Good afternoon. It's the afternoon of August the 22nd. We'd like to wrap up our trade recommendation made in the 10-year note this morning at 6:45 a.m. Central. We started off this morning with a trading range expectation for the market, but with a lower bias. If Janet Yellen said what the FOMC minutes that were released on Wednesday said, that interest rates would be increased sooner rather than later, but we didn't expect the bottom to fall out of the market. So our first buy zone was 29 to 01. Pretty well held until Janet picked up the mic. Then Janet spoke and said interest rates will be raised sooner rather than later, and that took the market down to 19.5. So our first trade set up very, very nicely right here. It was a retest failure against 3. It was a mean green trade, both trades that we like. So you could have been short at 02. And the market traded down to 29, which gave you a shot at 3 to 4, 30 seconds, which is our normal trade. Yellen came out and spoke on this bar right here. The news was negative. She said we could raise interest rates sooner rather than later. So the market started to sell, and on this little retracement right here, you were able to pull off a short. In the 27-28 area, the market did trade down to 19.5, so you had a shot at 3 to as many as 8, 30 seconds. We had a buy. Our number 2 buy zone was 21 to 25 down here. 19.5 proved to be the low. So on the second extension right here, you're long at 23, and the market trades to 28.5. So you picked up 3 to 5, 30 seconds. From this point on, we just basically saw the market is over, and we thought it would close in the 28 area, plus or minus, which is pretty much what it did do for the day session. So we had a good day of trading. We got 9 30 seconds out of it, which is $287.50. And if you traded perfectly, you could have gotten 17. Now, we don't expect anybody to trade perfectly, but we want to show you what the potential is. So you don't have to take our stock 3:30 seconds on the trade, but to keep the most conservative take on what you make off of our setups and our entrances, we count 3:30 seconds on every trade, unless it's a news event to drive the trading. We recap daily the markets that we do trade, and we do cover 6 of them. So please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site, you'll get an overview of the software, our trading methodologies, and our educational programs. To further encourage you to come visit our website and take a look at us, we offer you 5 free days in our main trading room. In this trading room, we cover crude, gold, the euro, the 30-year bond, the 10-year note, and the E-mini with updates minimally hourly. We also do a little teaching, and when we're not on the mic or doing something, if a trade sets up at our recommended buy or sell areas, we'll take the trade live in the room and talk you through it. Please contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in the room for your 5-day free trial. In the meantime, good trading.